Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Don't worry, I'll show you how to see it. Directly on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Wi-Fi or Network and Internet, depending on your phone.
Next, tap Wi-Fi or Network and Internet, depending on your phone.
Now select the Wi-Fi network that your phone is currently connected to.
Look for the Share or QR code option. Tap it, and your phone may show the Wi-Fi details.
On many Android phones, the Wi-Fi password will appear below the QR code. Some phones may require your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock first. Keep in mind that the exact steps can be different depending on your phone model and Android version. And that's how you can check your saved Wi-Fi password on your phone. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more useful phone tips.